Hi everyone and welcome to Mooring Homes. I am your host Akil Shah and I am so excited to share my passion for home decor and garden design with you. In this channel, you will find a plenty of inspiration and ideas to make your home and garden look amazing. In this video, I am going to introduce you to the different aspects of my channel so you can get a better idea of what to expect from me. Let's get started. We will cover home decor ideas. I will be sharing tips and tricks on how to decorate your home in different styles from modern and minimalist to bohemia and vintage. We will also talk about color palettes, textures, and patterns that can make a big difference in any room. We will dive into garden design, whether you have a small balcony or a big backyard. I will show you how to make the most of your outdoor space. We will talk about plant selection, landscape design, and how to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere in your garden. But that's not all. In addition to home decor and garden design, I will be sharing some history and fun facts about these topics. Did you know that the ancient Egyptians were the first to use indoor plants for decoration? Or that the Victorian era was all about ornate and extravagant home decor? I will also be giving you some practical tips for maintaining your home and garden, like how to keep your plant healthy and how to clean and organize your space. We will also explore the different types of home and garden design, from sustainable and eco-friendly to DIY and upcycling projects. So that's a quick overview of what you can expect from my channel. I hope you are as excited as I am to embark on this journey together. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next one.